Pumpkins require a soil temperature of at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 15.5 degrees Celsius to germinate. Since Japan has been having unseasonably high temperatures this year, with the season between 2 to 3 weeks early, I decided to plant my pumpkin seeds about 2 weeks earlier than usual. I plant the Ebisu variety, which is often referred to as a chestnut pumpkin due to its taste similarity with chestnuts. It's a popular variety but is extremely susceptible to powdery mildew. First, fill the plastic pots half full with your potting media. Add a complete NPK fertilizer. Experience has taught me that young pumpkin roots are quite delicate, so it's best to mix the fertilizer with the media at this point. Add enough media to bring the level up to about an inch below the brim of the pot. Add a half teaspoon or so of Captan to the seed packet and shake it to distribute the powder. Place the seeds on their sides in the center of the pot. Cover the seeds with enough media to fill the pot to the brim while tamping slightly. Water the pots thoroughly. In order to increase and maintain the potting medium temperatures, cover the flat with plastic mulch film.